All right, if you're looking for a great place to live right outside of Northern Virginia where you get some land, a country feel, old town feel, Fauquier County is definitely the place for you. So in this video, we're gonna dive deep, show you Fauquier County, what it's all about to live and work here. So let's get into the video, come on. So this is the Plains, Virginia. You can tell a real small town feel. This is like horse country out here. And one of the good things about Fauquier County that I really like is the location. So like 2 miles away is Route 66. So you can jump out, head east towards Washington, D.C. and go west towards Front Royal. Then also Warrenton is about 10 miles from here off 66. So it's an amazing location. Definitely love the horse feel as well. So now we're heading towards Marshall, Virginia, and like out here in the Plains, they have this place called Great Meadow where they do like twilight polo, which if that's your thing, and then they also have this thing called Gold Cup on the day of the Kentucky Derby. There's all these different horse races and all that. And that thing is like fun. Everyone gets dressed up and everything. But like I said, we're heading out to Marshall, which is like a little tiny town, but then it's a huge zip code with like plenty of houses with acreage around it. I saw a lot out here. So let's keep the tour going, Bobby. You being a city boy, not like a country boy like me out here, boy. What do you think of Fauquier so far?
It's amazing.
It's amazing, he said. All right, let's keep going, baby. All right, so now we're out in Marshall, Virginia, which is like another small town, and Van Meter is building a community out here. So you can see in the background some newer houses or some new townhouses as this community develops. And then also as well, this is a huge area for wineries. There is plenty of wineries out here, tons of options. Blue Valley is definitely one of my favorites. So next place we're gonna show you here in Fauquier is Warrenton. So let's keep going, giving this tour of Fauquier County. So now we're out in Warrenton. So if you're looking for the best housing option, Warrenton is definitely gonna be the place because houses start anywhere from like 300,000 and they go all the way up into the millions. This is also like where downtown Warrenton is, which we're gonna show you next. But real quick, let's dive into some housing options out here in Fauquier County. Bang, 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 bang. An idea of what some housing looks like in Fauquier County. So I found this townhouse in Bealton for $349,000. Really nice place, definitely only a couple years old, 2 bedrooms upstairs, nice updated kitchen with a nice countertop, stainless steel appliances, 1-car garage. So this is really a nice value that you can get out in Fauquier. It's over in the Bealton section. So let's take a look at a single family home next. All right, the second option I found is over in Brookside, which is a real popular neighborhood, listed for $700,000. This is going to be closer to Gainesville, so you can see a large colonial style house, 3 finished levels, nice hardwood floors, updated kitchen and all that. So 4 bedrooms upstairs. So this would be like kind of like a typical house you would see in Northern Virginia. And then let's take a look at one more like high-end horse style property that you would see in Fauquier County. All right, if you're feeling crazy, look at this place right here I found for only $23,500,000. It's got 550 acres, a private golf course, nice horse stable. So this right here would be like the upper end of Virginia, United States, Fauquier County for sure. So you know what, if you want to buy this place, definitely hit me up. So this place is pretty incredible. All right, now we're in downtown Warrenton. This is like where all the really nice upscale restaurants are. There's like this place called Fats where my buddy Zach Hoover goes all the time. He likes to go out and dance, always hits me up to invite me. Some of my other friends do as well. This is like a great area. You can see some of the nice houses in the background, a lot of history around here. So let's take a look at some of downtown Warrenton. guys enjoyed this tour of Fauquier County. If you have any questions about Fauquier, definitely text me at the number below. Subscribe to this channel as well and comment below what else you guys want to see. As always, we will see you at the top or from the top. Bobby, give them some kind of like crazy last drone footage to end this bad boy. Peace. See you guys later. What's up?